Too lazy to move even when being the target. It's funny how a simple rubbish bin can make the parrot entertained all day. Thanks to the bird, the keyboard has become an instrument. Parrot knows exactly who to crush. They have good taste in men. True friends will always annoy each other. What? Parrots likes to move it. Move it. These actions will help the bird lose so much weight. Only soulmates who are connected in soul could do this.
Can I have a kiss? Let me kiss.
When your girlfriend's too adorable and you can't stop giving her kisses. Teasing a cat is the highest level of boldness of a bird. People wish they could also handle life this well. Choosing an accessory before a date feels like we should all learn self-love from this parrot.
I love you. You looking good. You looking good.
Someone will feel very lonely watching this couple. This is how you can indirectly give a bird a kiss.
Huh?
So beautiful. So beautiful.
When your little one is so different from you. Who knew there could be a love story between a dog and a bird? Proof that true love may be in someone you have never expected. Why bother going to the bar when you can have a party with your parrot at home? They will be the pop stars of our generation one day. This is why getting ready can take up to 1 hour.
Yeah. Hey.
The best alarm clock ever, but you can't buy it on the market.
Thank you.
This exercise is said to be good for the health.
Huh? Don't yell in my ear, please. Really? Come on, man.
Parrot is the only kind that could sing anger into a song. This is why you can't record your life properly and become a vlogger. Not in the mood of being pampered today. Some will be jealous of this parrot's hat. Becoming friends with Cat is hard, but this bird nailed it. Now human will always think someone texted them. We know who will get the golden shoes in Animal World Cup. Don't get in a fight with a parrot. They won't let you speak.
I'm peekaboo. Kiss.
The parrots know exactly how to steal your attention with chirping.
You happy boy. Rubber, no. No. Well.
Let's check if there is any hickey on human neck.
No, Barber.
Guess who will win in this staring competition? Birds also have their dark sides, just like human. When a bird has a crush on a dog. The difference in characteristics is illustrated so clearly here. Fighting over who gets to sleep inside mom's shirt, the best place ever.
Le dije a mi mamá que no sacara el pájaro porque si iba a salir, le dije.
When you have to hide from your human.
Ya está el green.
A beautiful girl can't let her outfit get wet. This is the reason why they can't leave the bed until 12 p.m. Cockatoo has their broken moments as well. Don't judge them. partying all day with the music inside its head. Birds need water to grow as well. Thank you for watching.